Welcome to Oracle Apex Developer Professional Learning Path, creating an Apex application module, application based on existing tables lesson. So now that you know how to use the Create App Wizard, let's continue this exciting journey and learn how to create an Apex application based on existing database tables. In this lesson, you learn how to create an Apex application based on existing tables. Now let's take a quick look at the steps involved in creating an application based on existing tables. In the first step, you log into your Oracle Apex workspace and then click App Builder, then click Create. Click New Application and then enter your application name. Select an application icon and then click Set Appearance to change the appearance of your application. Save the changes to your application's appearance. In the next step, click Add Page to add pages to your application. Select the page of your choice, enter or select the details, and repeat this particular step if you want to add multiple pages to your application. Select features to include in your application, review the settings, and then click Create Application. Click Run Application, and then finally log in to review your application. Now let's watch a demo that shows these steps involved in creating an application based on existing tables. Creating an Apex application based on existing tables in the database. On your workspace homepage, click App Builder and then click Create. You want to create a new application, click New Application. The Create Application wizard appears. Enter a name to identify the application to developers. For example, in this case, let's enter Employee Details App. And then you want to set an icon for your application, so click Set Icon. Let's also change the color. And then let's pick an icon. For example, let's pick the cloud icon and then click Save Icon. For appearance, you can actually accept the default appearance, but you want to change the appearance in this case. So let's click Set Appearance icon and then you see theme styles Vita, Vita Dark and Redwood Light. Let's pick up Redwood Light, accept the defaults for navigation and then let's save the changes for appearance. In the next step, let's add pages to your application. So click Add Page. The Add Page dialog appears. You can now see different page types. There's a blank page, calendar, cards, chart, dashboard, faceted search, smart filters, form, interactive grid, interactive report, map, and master detail. You can select a page type of your choice. The user interface changes based on the page type you select. Pages that you create will be displayed on the home page. After you create the application, you can modify the pages and add additional pages using the Create Page wizard. Now in this example, let's add an interactive report. So select interactive report. Enter a name for page name. For example, let's enter Employees Report. Table view. Let's select EMP table, which is already existing in the database. Let's also select the Include Form checkbox. Then expand Lookup columns. For Lookup key 1, let's select Department Number. And for Display column, let's select Department Name. Now click Add Page. If you want to add additional pages, click Add Page again. You now see that the Employees Report interactive report has been successfully added. Now scrolling down a bit, you see features that you can select to include with your application. Features provide application level functionality and can only be added once per application. You can see the features such as Install Progressive Web App, which gives your application the ability to be installed. There is About page, which adds an About This application page. You also have Access Control, Activity Reporting, Configuration Options, and then Feedback, which allows users to provide feedback. You also have Theme Style Selection feature. Now in this example, let's select all of the features, so let's click Check All. Scrolling down, you see Settings. Now the first one is Application ID, which is a unique numeric identifier for your application. This field contains an automatically generated identifier by default. Let's accept the default for Application ID, and then you see Schema here, Authentication, Language, Advanced Settings, and User Interface defaults. Let's accept the default settings as is, and then finally let's click Create Application. You can now see the application creation progress. The application is now successfully created. Let's run the application. Enter your workspace username and password and then click Sign In. You can now see the application homepage. Click the left navigation menu. You can see Home, Employees Report and Administration. Let's click Employees Report. This displays the interactive report page for you. In the interactive report, let's click the pencil icon for any record, and that displays the employee form dialog. In this lesson, you learn how to create an Apex application based on your existing database tables. This concludes the lesson, App Builder and the Create App Wizard. I'm sure you find that useful. Thank you so much for watching.